Okay, another new item from CountyComm. This is the Pocket Survival Kit. It comes in this little tin, which is, it's about 3 3/4 inch by just under 2.5 inches by 3/4 inch. Okay, let's get a look inside it. We've got these goodies here. We've got the pocket LED light. This orange body has a white light. It has a little on-off clicky switch. Then we have the Martac screw keys with a Phillips head and a flat head. And we got the pocket survival saw. It's a little Swiss made blade. It's a real handy little saw for general utility use. Got a P38 can opener. Made by the US Shelby company. We got the pocket straight razor, which I showed you this in one of my other videos. It's an extremely sharp blade. And finally, it has this micro widgie bar, 3 inch. Yep, it's a 3 inch one. And it all comes in this little tin. Leaves you a bit more space for adding some items to it. Handy little. The tin's the right size for fitting in your pocket, slipping in your bag. You can build a good EDC around it. Add a few more items to it. Basically, when you buy this, you're saving some money over buying the items separately. So, pretty good. I think I'll add a few more items to this. Yes, the tin also fits in the CountyComm PCC, the personal carry case, the little belt case. So, thanks for watching.